welcome back to Kirstie's'Karz. It's another day, another non-dollar, because I don't get paid to do this, but I enjoy it, so that's all that matters. Thank you guys for sticking with me through that first video. I know it looked like it was filmed through a damn potato. I did not mean it to come out that way. It looked perfect before I uploaded it to YouTube. So I blame that. You know, I'm so excited to see that there's other people, you know, so stoked about this build. Like, it makes me so happy. And all I can hope to do is make you guys proud with this, okay? Today, I am going to continue stripping out the Nova, but I'm going to start on the back end. So I'm going to be removing those big panels, and you got to disassemble a bunch of stuff to get them out, so it should be fun. But I'm ready to go. I mean, I just got off of work. But I cannot stop thinking about this car, so I'm right back out here. We're gonna get this done, and in a timely manner, and it's gonna be done right. So let's get rolling. Alright guys, we're sitting in the back of the hatch. Gonna start removing this paneling. Probably start with this piece. Make my way around because I gotta disassemble a few things. The seatbelt mounts to be able to get those out. And then once I get all that paneling, I'll see what I can do with this bumper. You guys, it's 10 o'clock at night and I've been going at this all evening. I'm so ready to show you what I got done. I got it all finally stripped out. All the paneling out. Got her nice and open. And can you guess what these are from? Oh yeah. Got the first part of the bumper off. I did have some trouble with one of, okay, two. I had trouble with two. That went well. That was at the bottom. Down here. And then I had trouble with one of the rivet topped ones. They have like a cap on them, and it was pretty much just spinning. It was stripped out and it was just spinning. I can't even find it. I think that's it. Yeah, you can tell. I ate that up with a pair of vice grips. But as with every other day, there were surprises today. Surprisingly, it was pretty easy to get off. My other surprise was this guy. That looks pretty freaking cool. Yeah. But yeah, it was pretty simple. I had some trouble with these clips. Never dealt with those before. Those held on the liner. My liner was freaking toast. So I needed to reach those rivets on the inside of the chrome bumper piece. And instead of just cutting up my bumper like I've seen others do, I just cut my liner. Cut it right down the middle and pulled it out. And then I was able to reach in there with just a ratchet and a deep well, 14 deep well. Yeah, it was surprisingly smooth. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to do today. I am pretty worn out. This thing's seen better days. But hey, it didn't give me a hard time, so I'm happy with it. Hey guys, I'm deadbeat tired. I've been going all night at this. I'm calling it a night once I get done cleaning up my giant mess that I made. But I can't thank you enough for watching, and hopefully every day I'll bring you something new and you'll enjoy it. You know, like and subscribe and join me on this ride.